flavor hunters! Today's recipe is dangerously addictive. This chocolatey banana bread is soft, gooey, melty in your mouth heaven. The aroma alone will hypnotize your kitchen. Stick around, this is just the first recipe, and your bananas are about to star in a culinary adventure. Take 3 late-ripe bananas. Peel them and mash them with a fork. Rustic, messy, and perfect. Set them aside. In a separate bowl, add 1/2 cup whole milk. Crack 2 eggs at room temperature. 1/2 cup brown sugar. Add 1/2 cup granulated sugar. And 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Whisk until smooth, glossy, and smelling like dessert heaven. Melt 1/3 cup butter and pour it in, because butter makes life better, obviously. Now add 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, gradually. Little by little, mixing gently so it stays smooth and not messy. Once fully incorporated, add 1 teaspoon baking soda and mix until velvety. We're making poetry, not homework. Fold in the mashed bananas, just until they become one with the batter. The aroma will already be whispering, "Eat me now!" Now fold in 1/2 cup chocolate chips with a spatula, hiding sweet pockets of chocolate in every bite. Pour into a lined baking pan and sprinkle extra chocolate chips on top. Life's better with extras. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 55 minutes. Toothpick test. Insert it if it comes out clean. You just created magic. Let it cool slightly, then lift it out with the parchment paper. Look at that slice, soft, spongy, chocolatey, dangerously addictive, I promise. My kid immediately approved 1 bite, and they were hooked. It's soft, chocolatey, and perfect for leftover bananas you don't know what to do with. Try it today, then tell me in the comments, did it survive your first bite? And stay tuned, the next recipe is about to get even crazier with bananas.
Today, we are making a banoffee pie that melts in your mouth, crunches in all the right places. It's creamy, caramelly, buttery, the kind of dessert that makes you forget every little worry with 1 bite. I'm not exaggerating, this is my happiest dessert. Let's make it. I'm starting by taking any good, crunchy biscuits or cookies, the kind that already have the right amount of sweetness and a tiny hint of salt. No extra sugar or salt needed. I've taken 72 grams of these biscuits and I'm blending them into a coarse powder. Once they're crushed, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter and pulsing for just a few seconds so the butter mixes evenly with the biscuit crumbs. Now I'm transferring the mixture into a small bowl. Press it down with a spatula, making the base even. I'm also creating a little wall around the edges. This will hold all the layers we're about to add. You can bake this base for 5 to 7 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, or refrigerate it for 1 hour. Both ways work perfectly. In another bowl, I'm adding 1 cup chilled whipping cream, 1.5 tablespoon powdered sugar, 2 drops of vanilla essence. Using a hand mixer, whip it just until soft peaks form. Don't go for stiff peaks. Soft peaks give a smoother, silkier bite. Set it aside. Now for the hero of this dessert, dulce de leche. This rich caramel-like sauce is the hero of this recipe. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can make it yourself. Just take 1 can of condensed milk, remove the label, and place it in a pot. Fill the pot with water about a ½ inch above the can. Boil it on a slow flame for 3 hours. After 3 hours, let the can cool completely. And inside you'll find the most delicious homemade dulce de leche. I'm adding 5 tablespoons of it. If yours is thick, place the container in a bowl of hot water for a few minutes. It loosens up and becomes easy to pour. Spread it evenly on the biscuit base. It should look glossy and irresistible. Next, I'm slicing 1 medium banana and laying the slices over that caramel layer. Now top it with the whipped cream we made earlier. Spread it evenly all around the bowl, covering every corner. This next part is optional, but very satisfying. I'm adding dairy milk toffee bits, a few extra banana slices, and a light sprinkle of cocoa powder. You can also drizzle chocolate sauce if you're feeling fancy. You can chill it in the refrigerator if you want a firmer texture. But honestly, I can't wait. I'm enjoying it as it is. It's soft, creamy, crunchy, and unbelievably delicious. If this banoffee pie made you hungry, or at least curious, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who loves easy desserts, and drop a comment telling me your favorite comfort dessert. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel so you never miss another quick, easy, and ridiculously satisfying recipe.
Banoffee devoured. Sugar rush activated. Now let's shimmy into soft cloud-like banana pancakes. Start with 1 ripe banana. Mash, mash, mash. Nice and smooth. This is the base, the groove, the fluffy foundation. Now pour in 1 cup milk, a few drops of vanilla, 3 tablespoons oil, and 1/2 cup sugar. Whisk it like you mean it. Smooth, silky, sweet banana perfume in the air. And guess what? No eggs. Yes, eggless and still outrageously fluffy. Now sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Then add 3/4 cup all-purpose flour. Stir gently until the batter flows like a ribbon. Not thick, not thin. Just pancake perfect. Pan on low heat. A little oil. Pour. Don't rush it. Let it breathe. See those little bubbles popping on top? That's your cue. Flip it. Golden, soft, slightly caramelized edges. Stack them high, drizzle honey or syrup, and watch it slide down like breakfast poetry. Soft, warm, banana-kissed goodness in every bite. 3 bananas, 3 recipes, 0 leftovers. If you made it this far, you officially survived the banana glow-up. Drop me a comment. Which one are you making first? Thanks for watching!